So we got this question. So expansion of this 1 plus x power minus 1. So you know that here index is something different, correct? So we cannot apply that logic, okay? But still we have to solve. So look at this, how we will open this part. So you know that we cannot write NCR. We cannot but still I'll be writing, okay? So NCR means NC 0, okay? First term is NC0 x power 0, NC1 x, NC2 x square. I won't use that value minus 1 in place of n right now. Later I'll do it. So NC0 is 1. So it is 1 into x power 0 is also 1. Now, so it is NC1. So it is n. है ना? So we got NC1 as n x and then n factorial by 2 factorial n minus 2 factorial x square dot dot dot. Okay, so we have 1 plus nx plus n into n minus 1 by 2 factorial x square. Okay, now look at this. We have started from, now I'll try to get the pattern. Okay, so next component will be NC3. So n factorial by 3 factorial n minus 3 factorial x power 3. So we will have n into n minus 1 n minus 2 by 3 factorial x power 3 dot 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 dot. Now look at this. If we want coefficient of x square, I'll write denominator as x is 2 factorial. Okay. If we want coefficient of x power 3, I will go with denominator as 3 factorial. Okay. Now, so if I will write 3 factorial in the denominator, I will write 3 consecutive n's, means n minus 1, n minus 2. I will start from n, correct? Now look at this. Now replace n with minus 1. So it will become 1 minus 1 x and then minus 1 into minus 2. It will become 2 by 2. So it is x square and then minus 1 into minus 2 into minus 3. It is 3 factorial and things are in, 3 things are in negative. So you have negative. Okay, product is negative. So x cube. So next will be x power 4. Next will be x power 5 dot dot dot. And this thing will keep on going till infinity. The number of terms will be infinite in these cases. Okay, so expansion of 1 plus x power minus 1 is this. Suppose that for better understanding, you no need to memorize this thing. So how will you respond? Sir, look at this. This is 1. Then if you multiply by minus x, you will have this thing. Then multiply by minus x again, you will have this thing. Okay. Again multiply by minus x, you will have this thing. Again multiply by minus x, you will have this thing. Okay, and chain reaction will continue. Correct? So this means what? They are in GP. So GP of infinite terms is what? A by 1 minus r. So minus x is the common ratio. So can I write 1 plus x power minus 1? So it is also same thing, no? So now you are comfortable that this is the correct expansion of 1 plus x power minus 1. Correct? So similarly, you guys have to solve for 1 minus x power 1. Okay, so when you will solve, you will get things as everything will be positive only. Okay, means this thing will become 1 minus x power minus 1 will be 1 plus x square minus plus x cube plus x power 4 plus x power 5 dot dot dot. Okay, so you have to do this thing on your own. Also you have to solve this expansion and this expansion. Okay, I hope you got the idea and you can handle these situations. Okay.